Hello guys, how are you today? We're gonna looking at these farms truck. Okay, so let's go. There's a lot of trucks over here. Truckstors! We like truckstors, we like truckstors. This truckster is beautiful. Wow, so big. Oh, look at those truckstors. Let's get a closer look at these truckstors. Wow, lot of trucksters there. So dirty. Now the lights are up. Now clearly we can look at this. Let's go. Okay, friends. These trucksters are so big. Look at this truckster. It has grown plants. So many trucksters. This one also has a lot of baskets. So big. So big. So big. So big. Okay, these trucksters are super big. Look at this tire. It's taller than me. See? Taller. Why is it so taller? I don't know how it is. Let's just look. I'm gonna try to go and run around the course 50 times. 1, 2, never mind. This is a big truck. Big. See, can you guys look under here? Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, some trucker. What if I see my truckster? Okay, that's gonna be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Love you. Truckstors.